Kawasaki Ninja 125. Best Motorcycle Review. Looking like a great year for lovers, 2019 on. The new Kawasaki Ninja 125 is released alongside the Kawasaki Z125, which shares the same engine and chassis, but presents the package in a very different way. It's looking like a great year for lovers of the 125 cubic centimeters class, and after an absence of 25 years, Kawasaki are amongst those offering A1 license holders some serious street kudos. The Ninja 125 is eye-catching, attractive, sporty and instantly identifiable as being part of the Ninja family. Performance is on par with the competition and the sporty handling is a breath of fresh air. It's easy to manage, predictable, controlled and the in right environment fun. Kawasaki have re-entered the sporty 125 market by kicking the doors down. The established competition should be worried. It's just a shame the rather dull dated clocks blemish what is an excellent A1 bike. Ride quality and brakes. The Ninja's attractive Trellis chassis and basic suspension, with only preload adjustment on the rear, is again very similar to old Ninja 250 SL. It might be basic, but it works. Kawasaki don't appear to have cut costs on the suspension, both ends are on the sporty side, but have progressive damping and aren't simply uncontrollable springs at either end like some budget 125 machines. Engine. Powered by a water-cooled, 4-stroke 14.7 brake horsepower single-cylinder engine, which is loosely based on the old Kawasaki Ninja 250 SL engine, peak power comes in at 10,000 rpm, just 500 rpm short of the redline, and maximum torque of 8.7 ft-lb at 700 rpm. To get the most out of the engine you have to disregard any mechanical sympathy and thrash the poor little thing to near death. Flat out the digital display indicated 74 miles per hour, with a lighter rider and prevailing tail wind there, possibly adding a few more mph, but not much more. Reliability and build quality. Reliability shouldn't be a problem as the motor is loosely based on the old Ninja 250 SL, as are many of the suspension and chassis parts. We don't have any Kawasaki Ninja 125 owners reviews on the site yet, but you can leave one here. Value versus rivals. Compared to rival Japanese manufacturers, the all-new Ninja 125 is priced above Suzuki's GSX-R 125 and Honda's CBR 125R, and is more on par with Yamaha's YZF-R 125, however it doesn't have the technology of Yamaha's new 125. Equipment. ABS comes as standard, as do the digital clocks and pedal brake discs, single 290mm pedal disc. Caliper, dual piston up front and single 220mm pedal disc. Caliper, dual piston on the rear. The level of finish is high, the frame projects a quality feel, but it's a shame the clocks are a little dull. No mode button, no MPG or tank range, and no connectivity. It's also missing a gear indicator, which I would have expected on an entry-level A1 bike. While I'm having a grumble, the mirrors aren't the best and the brake and clutch levers aren't span adjustable. In 2021 Kawasaki will sell you a load of optional extras to upgrade your Ninja 125. Examples include an aero exhaust, smoked windscreen, seat cover and engine sliders. Specs. Engine size 125 cubic centimeters. Engine type liquid-cooled, 4-stroke single. Frame type tubular diamond, steel. Fuel capacity 11 liters. Seat height 785 mm. Bike weight 148 kilograms. Front suspension 37 mm telescopic fork. Rear suspension Uni-Trak, gas-charged shock with adjustable preload. Front brake single 290 mm pedal disc. Caliper, dual piston. Rear brake single 220 mm pedal disc. Caliper, dual piston. Front tire size 100 divided by 80-17 m divided by C52s. Rear tire size 130 divided by 70-17 m divided by C62s. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption. Annual road tax £22. Annual service cost £2,500. New price £4,199. Used price £2,600. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term. Top speed and performance. Max power 15 brake horsepower. Max torque 8.6 ft-lb. Top speed 74 miles per hour. A quarter mile acceleration. Tank range